Okay, welcome to this video where I'm gonna be showing you how to submit a gig. So if you're a business owner or even just a creator looking for other creatives to help you, this is what you can do. So on the left side under gig board, just click on submit a gig. And under here, under submit a gig, you'll be able to see a bunch of different fields that you need to fill in order for us or Jem to showcase your gig to potential creatives that could match with you. So in the gig title, just type in what exactly you're looking for. So in this case, I'm just gonna say looking for videographer for event Miami. I'm looking for videographer, compensation. Let's just say they're getting paid 500, flat fee. This is my email, the date. Let's say from now, you put in a date here, and then add in the time on which the event will start. So let's just say, I'll just put out an example here, 9 a.m. And then end time it's gonna be a full day shoot. So we'll do 3 p.m. All right, now add in your details related to the gig you're posting. So looking for a videographer in the Miami area. We are filming for a personal trainer to create social media clips. Looking for help to film B-roll of him working out and stationary talking head clips. Once that's done, click on save. So the location, forgot to put the location, Miami, right there, Florida, flat fee, looking good. Click on save. And this is what your gig would look like once you submit it. So once you're happy with the gig that you created, just click on submit and it'll post on the gig boards for creatives to search for. So once that's done, you successfully posted your first gig. And that's about it. It's as simple as that. Now here at Jem, we made it super easy for creators to find their ideal gig. So be prepared to see a bunch of creatives applying for your gig. So I'll see you in the next video.